Sona Mohapatra is leaving no stones unturned. With such a failure of the Justin Bieber concert, Sona Mohapatra has got an excuse to make a dig on Parineeti Chopra and Sonakshi Sinha yet again. Stay glued for all the updates. The controversy between Sona Mohapatra, Armaan Malik and the actor who sing on screen like Parineeti Chopra and Sonakshi Sinha seems to be never-ending. On Wednesday night, the Justin Bieber concert in Mumbai witnessed a massive turnout, but it was a no-show as it left many angered and disappointed due to various reasons. Singer Sona Mohapatra was one of them who expressed her displeasure and mocked the entire concert. But while she did that, Sona Mohapatra didn't forget to take a dig at Sonakshi Sinha and Parineeti Chopra one more time. Not mincing her words, Sona tagged Armaan Malik and wrote on her Twitter account, "So maybe I was wrong after all at Armaan Malik 22. This wouldn't be a worthy stage for you. Best left to the actors of singing." She didn't stop just here. Sona then put out a series of tweets downing the concert and suggested that Justin Bieber should have spent more time at the sound check rather than with the unprivileged kids. Here is what she said. "Meanwhile, my Facebook timeline also has enough wannabes flaunting their night of glory. Grateful to have attended a fake overhyped gig. The PR and marketing machinery spitting out realms about how the lip-syncing Bieber spent time with underprivileged kids before the gig. First of all, I doubt the underprivileged even know you, Bieber. Secondly, you should have spent that time doing a proper sound check instead." For those who have come in late, Sona Mohapatra has been condemning actors for a while now who sing on screen as well. She recently got into various Twitter wars with actress Sonakshi Sinha and Parineeti Chopra. The entire controversy started when rumors of Sonakshi Sinha performing at the Justin Bieber concert started doing rounds. This left singers like Armaan Malik and Sona Mohapatra miffed as they felt that the professional singers deserve the stage and actors should stick to doing what they do best, act. Of course, Sonakshi and Parineeti didn't take her harsh comments lying low and they sternly replied to Sona's tweets. And now that the concert which stirred the entire controversy is over, Sona Mohapatra has hit back again. Let's see who reacts to this one now.